Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you what to do if YouTube stops working in Chrome. So let's get right into it. The first thing you need to do is to restart Google Chrome. If that doesn't work, check your internet connection and restart your router. If the problem is not from your connection, try clearing cache and cookies and disabling your extensions to see if they may be interfering with YouTube. Click the puzzle icon in the top menu and select Manage Extensions. Here, disable all your extensions and try reopening YouTube. If it works, re-enable the extensions one by one to find the culprit. Click the three dots in the top right corner. Select Delete Browsing Data. This will open settings. For the time range, select the time when YouTube stopped working. Now click Delete Data. If the problem is not from corrupt cache and cookies, and the problem is also not from your extensions, scroll down in Settings and go to About Chrome to check for updates. If there are any updates available once you open this page, Chrome will automatically start updating it. Always make sure you update Chrome frequently because outdated versions of Chrome could have issues. Relaunch Chrome to complete the process. After updating Chrome, reopen YouTube and see if the issue has been resolved. If updating Chrome still doesn't work for you, in Settings, go to Reset Settings and select Restore Settings to their original defaults and click Reset Settings. Another fix you can try is using a different DNS server. In the search bar on your computer, type network and internet. Here, go to Change Adapter Options, right-click on your Wi-Fi and select Properties. Select Internet Protocol version 4 and click Properties. Here, deselect Obtain DNS server address automatically and instead select Use the following DNS server addresses. Click OK and close it. Now check if YouTube is working properly. If this step still doesn't work for you, right-click on Start and select Run. Here, type Prefetch and click OK. Click Ctrl+A to select All and click Delete. Now go to the recycle bin and clear it. If deleting Prefetch doesn't work for you, try opening YouTube in an incognito window. If all the previous steps don't work for you, try loading YouTube in another browser. If it works, go to the control panel And here type uninstall, select uninstall a program, right click on Google Chrome and uninstall it. After uninstalling it, reinstall the latest version. And those are some easy steps you can take if YouTube stops working in Chrome. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Also, don't forget to drop a comment below with any tips, tricks, or questions you might have. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.